These are our basic foundational footwork moves that we do to learn how to move. We're going to get a couple of demonstrators to show you the importance of being able to do these and do them well. Head up. Before you learn how to use anything like this, you need to be able to use your body to look after yourself, to deflect and move for your safety and the safety of others. Matai? Wawai nuku tua tai.
Wawai nuku tua tai.
Tai. Rua. Toru. Wawai nuku tua rua.
Wawai nuku tua rua.
Tai. Rua. Toru. Wawai nuku tua toru.
Wawai nuku tua toru.
Tai. Rua. Toru. Wawai nuku tua wha.
Wawai nuku tua wha.
Tai. Rua. Toru. O mai te paki paki. Give us a clap.
Nari te kaitai. 1, 2, 1, 1, takahia. Hai! 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 Ha! Ha! Hai! 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 Ha! Hai! Hai! Hai!
So, this kind of foot movement is a very old and traditional foot movement. What it does is it helps us as a group to learn how to work together, teamwork, timing, also physically. It helps us to push, so it teaches us about fitness, perseverance, being able to push hard even though things get a little bit tough. We can still persevere instead of giving up like our kids tend to do these days because they're playing too much game. Yeah? We also learn about te reo Māori, the language, use of words, learning about directions, learning about movement, learning about our body parts. So we use the language quite often as a tool to help build the identity and encouragement with the kids as well. Right, next up.
Te hora ki papa tōnuku! Te hora ki papa tōnuku! Whānau! Hei! 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 Ha! Hei! 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 Ha! Hei! Ha! Hei! Ha! Hei! 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 Ha! Hei! Ha! Hei! 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 Hei!
That there is a set of waiwai movements that we use to help, again, build a little bit of fitness, muscle memory, a bit of perseverance, and also a bit of a challenge with the boys. We play a competition, see who's the best, who wants to be up the front row. Nothing but a bit of healthy competition for boys, eh? Right, so Shema, you've got 10 seconds. Get your rātou back into your lines, kahis, ruas and korus. Go. Iwa. waru, whitu, ono, lima, pā, toru, rua, tahi, kore. Hop. Apai kiraro. Daniel. Kiraro. We also have to learn about the meaning of haste and that there's consequences for things. Tahi.
Oi!
Rua.
Oi!
Toru.
Oi!
Pā.
Oi!
Lima.
Oi!
Ono.
Oi!
Whitu.
Oi!
Waru.
Oi!
Iwa.
Oi!
Kau.
Oi!
Whitu. That deserves a clap. Sorry, you can do the whole thing. Whakatā! Toro boy! Whakatahi! Tumatau! Oe tānguru! Kōpiki Maui! Te mangara areare! Whareru! Te o tāne! Kōpiki katau! Se upoko! Upoko paraki! O tāna mauta ki katau! O tāna mauta ki Maui! Whakatā! So these are what we call ahai. These are your basic stance moves to do with the rākau. They help to build a little bit of tikanga and understanding about the rākau. They help to build a bit of strength in the arms, a bit of dexterity in the wrists. They help us to be able to learn some of the things that we need to about ourselves and our rākau before we move on to things like sparring, learning about blocks and strikes. We need to go through these foundational things first. In terms of this group, every time we come together, because we only see each other once a term, we generally have to go back and refresh on a lot of things so we don't get to move forward as fast as what we'd like. But they still manage to be able to do a pretty good job showing us what they have learned. Some of them practice throughout the year, some of them not so much. Let's go again. Te pasa. Te pasa, go. Whakatā. Whaka boy! Tamatai! Tumatau! Oe tānguru! Kōpiki Maui! Te mangara areare! Whareru! Te o tāne! Kōpiki katau! Te upoko! Upoko paraki! O tāna mauta ki katau! O tāna mauta ki Maui! Whakatā! Tēnā koutou. So that's what we have to show you for today in terms of the kids' mahi. They have done really well. They have worked really hard. They've been going for about 4.5 hours today. They had one break. So they've been doing pretty well. They're now starting to understand what a real day's work is like. Instead of gaming all day. Tēnā koutou, taki loa. Have a seat. Throughout the year, we've also been keeping an eye on some of the boys, watching the ones that come along every time. What we'd like to do is we'd like to show a little bit of support and encouragement for the select few that have not only shown diligence to the training, but have also shown that they were able to transfer the values and the tikanga that we follow into other areas. So we'd like to select a few tama to receive a little bit of a taonga from us. Hai, mai tō rangatira. Hale, te. Mai te paki. Mai tō rangatira. Lucas. Te mai. Te mai. Au. I'd also like to select one who has been doing a pretty good job over the year and also was a part of things last year. Somebody who stood out in my mind as well. Been at it with some of these other boys for the last 2 years and has been doing really, really well. Managed to get himself into the front row, even though he's one of the youngest. This rākau here is called Tānekaha. If you look at the translation of that in Māori, Tāne being male, Kaha being strong. This is a very popular rākau for us, kai whawhai, because it grows really straight. It's also very, very strong. So we use it quite often for demonstration rākau as well as with sparrings. It doesn't grow in this area. It only grows a little bit more north from us. These ones were actually harvested from around the Central Plateau. So to all the boys, thank you very, very much for this year. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for your efforts back at school as well. Not just here, not just our one day a term, but throughout the year. The stuff that you guys have been doing at school, the changes you've been making, not just for yourselves, but for your peers. Remember, kia tūranga tira ai, we don't do things just for ourselves, but we do it for everybody else around us as well. Tā te whare tu taua he tia. The job of a warrior is to protect others. So kia kaha koutou, keep striving, keep doing those things, keep doing well in your school and in your sports, but also keep striving in your home lives. Keep helping your whānau. Ātira mā tātou, tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou katoa.
Hari.